If Google Chrome feels slow on Windows 11 and pages loading late, tabs freezing, or high memory usage, yeah, that's a common issue. In this guide, I'll show you how to speed up Google Chrome on Windows 11 step by step in 2026. No extra software needed. Let's get started. First, fully close Chrome, open Task Manager, and make sure no Chrome processes are running in the background. Then reopen it. This alone fixes a lot of slowdowns. Chrome has its own Task Manager. Press Shift plus Escape to open it. Here you can see which tabs or extensions are slowing things down and end them safely. Too many extensions slow Chrome on Windows 11. Go to Extensions and remove anything you don't actually use. Keep only what adds real value. Windows 11 works best when Chrome uses memory efficiently. Turn on Memory Saver to reduce RAM usage for inactive tabs. This makes Chrome feel much faster when multitasking. If Chrome opens slowly, check startup settings. Remove unnecessary startup pages and turn off running apps in the background when Chrome is closed. Over time, cached data can slow Chrome down. Clear browsing data occasionally, but leave saved passwords checked unless you're sure. Hardware acceleration lets Chrome use your GPU. Make sure it's turned on, then restart Chrome. On Windows 11, this improves scrolling and video playback. Always keep Chrome and Windows 11 updated. Updates fix performance bugs and improve speed behind the scenes. Yeah, they matter. And that's it. After these steps, Google Chrome should feel faster, smoother, and more responsive on Windows 11. If this helped, save it, and I'll see you in the next guide.